Gooseberries, they're these little green jewels bursting with flavour, tart, tangy and oh so good for you. You can eat them straight off the bush, bake them in a pie or whiz them up in a smoothie. Trust me, gooseberries deserve a prime spot in your kitchen. Gooseberries have been around for centuries. They're like the cool, underrated cousins of the more popular berries. But let me tell you, these little guys pack a serious nutritional punch. Get ready to discover why adding a daily dose of gooseberries to your diet is a delicious way to boost your health. Don't let their small size fool you. Gooseberries are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body loves. We're talking vitamin C for a supercharged immune system, vitamin A for bright, healthy eyes, and fiber to keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system. And hold on, there's more. Gooseberries are a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. They also contain antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids, which help protect your cells from damage caused by nasty free radicals. Let's talk gut health, folks. A happy gut means a happy you. Gooseberries are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber acts like a broom for your digestive system, sweeping away waste and keeping things regular. Eating gooseberries regularly can help prevent constipation and promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, improved nutrient absorption, and a stronger immune system. So, eat your gooseberries for a happy and healthy tummy. Want glowing skin? Gooseberries can help with that too. Remember all that vitamin C we talked about? Well, it's not just great for your immune system, it's also essential for collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that keeps your skin firm and youthful. The antioxidants in gooseberries also play a role in protecting your skin from damage caused by the sun and pollution. These little green gems can help reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots, leaving you with a healthy, radiant complexion. Section 5. Immunity Booster Gooseberries to the rescue. Boost your body's natural defenses with a daily dose of gooseberries. These tiny fruits are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps strengthen your immune system and protect you from infections. Vitamin C helps your body produce white blood cells, which are the soldiers that fight off infections. Regular consumption of gooseberries can help reduce the severity and duration of colds, flu, and other common illnesses. So next time you feel a sniffle coming on, reach for some gooseberries. Section 6. Gooseberry goodness beyond the basics. We've covered the basics, but the benefits of gooseberries go even further. Some studies suggest that gooseberries may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great snack for people with diabetes. They're also low in calories and fat, making them a guilt-free treat. But wait, there's more. Gooseberries are also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce pain and inflammation throughout the body. They're also being studied for their potential anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed in this area. Section 7, Recipe 1, Simple Gooseberry Jam. Today we're diving into the delightful world of homemade preserves with a classic favorite, gooseberry jam. This recipe is perfect for beginners and seasoned jam makers alike. Gooseberries, with their unique tartness, make for a jam that's both sweet and tangy, a perfect addition to your breakfast table or afternoon tea. Ready to get your gooseberry on? Let's gather our ingredients and get started. Fresh gooseberries are the star of this recipe. Look for berries that are firm and vibrant in color. They can be green, red, or even purple, depending on the variety. The fresher the berries, the better your jam will taste. Let's start with a simple jam recipe. Making jam at home is not only rewarding, but also allows you to control the ingredients and sweetness. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of homemade jam spread on a warm slice of toast. This one's so easy, you'll be spreading it on toast, scones, and everything in between. Imagine a lazy Sunday morning with freshly baked scones, a dollop of clotted cream, and a generous spoonful of your homemade gooseberry jam. Pure bliss. Ingredients: 500 grams of gooseberries, topped and tailed. This means you'll need to remove the stem and the little tail at the bottom of each berry. It's a bit tedious, but trust me, it's worth it for the smooth texture of the jam. 250 grams of granulated sugar. The sugar not only sweetens the jam, but also helps it set properly. You can adjust the amount slightly if you prefer a more tart or sweeter jam. and 100 milliliters of water. The water helps to dissolve the sugar and cook the gooseberries evenly. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. Instructions. First, pop the gooseberries, sugar and water into a large saucepan. Make sure the saucepan is big enough to allow the mixture to boil without overflowing. Bring the mixture to a boil. Stir occasionally to ensure the sugar dissolves completely and doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Then reduce the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows the gooseberries to break down and release their natural pectin, which helps the jam to set, or until the gooseberries are soft and mushy. You'll notice the mixture thickening as it cooks. Keep an eye on it and stir occasionally to prevent sticking. To test if the jam is ready, put a small spoonful on a chilled plate. This is called the wrinkle test, and it's a foolproof way to check the set of your jam. If it sets and wrinkles when you push it with your finger, you're good to go. If not, continue simmering for a few more minutes and test again. Once your jam passes the wrinkle test, it's time to jar it up. The jam will continue to thicken as it cools, so don't worry if it seems a bit runny at this stage. Finally, pour the hot jam into sterilized jars. Seal tightly. Sterilizing your jars is crucial to prevent any bacteria from spoiling your jam. You can do this by boiling the jars and lids in water for about 10 minutes and store in a cool, dark place. Properly sealed, your gooseberry jam can last for up to a year. Enjoy your homemade jam on toast, in desserts, or even as a glaze for meats. Happy jamming! Section 8. Recipe 2. Refreshing gooseberry salad. Looking for a lighter way to enjoy gooseberries? This refreshing gooseberry salad is the perfect solution. This salad is bursting with fresh flavors and textures. The combination of sweet and tart gooseberries with the crunch of walnuts and the creaminess of feta cheese creates a delightful experience for your taste buds. Ingredients: 1 cup of mixed greens, which will serve as the base of our salad, providing a fresh and crisp texture. Half a cup of sliced gooseberries, adding a burst of tangy sweetness that perfectly complements the other ingredients. 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese, which brings a rich and creamy element to the salad. 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, adding a satisfying crunch and a nutty flavor. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which will be used to make a simple yet flavorful dressing. 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, adding a tangy and slightly sweet note to the dressing, and salt and pepper to taste to enhance all the flavors in the salad. Instructions: first, combine the mixed greens, gooseberries, feta cheese and walnuts in a large bowl. Make sure to toss them gently to ensure even distribution of all the ingredients. Then, whisk together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper in a small bowl. This simple dressing will tie all the flavors together beautifully. Finally, pour the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Serve immediately and enjoy this refreshing and nutritious gooseberry salad, perfect for a light lunch or a side dish at dinner. Section 9, Recipe 3, Tangy Gooseberry Smoothie. Start your day with a boost of vitamins and flavor with this tangy gooseberry smoothie. This refreshing drink is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized throughout the day. Ingredients: 1 cup of chopped gooseberries, fresh or frozen. Gooseberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, making them a perfect addition to your morning routine. 1 banana, sliced and frozen. Bananas add natural sweetness and creaminess to the smoothie, while also providing essential nutrients like potassium and fiber. 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of protein and probiotics, which are beneficial for your gut health. 1/2 cup of milk or almond milk. Choose almond milk for a dairy-free option. Both types of milk add a smooth texture and additional nutrients to your smoothie, and 1 tablespoon of honey optional. Honey adds a touch of sweetness and has antibacterial properties, but you can skip it if you prefer a less sweet smoothie. Instructions: first, combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Make sure to blend thoroughly to achieve a creamy and consistent texture. Add more milk or yogurt to reach your desired consistency. If you like a thicker smoothie, use less liquid. For a thinner smoothie, add a bit more milk or yogurt. Taste and adjust sweetness with honey if needed. Everyone's taste buds are different, so feel free to tweak the sweetness to your liking. There you have it. 3 easy and delicious ways to incorporate gooseberries into your daily routine. This smoothie is just one of the many ways you can enjoy the unique flavor and health benefits of gooseberries. So, go ahead and embrace the tangy goodness of gooseberries and enjoy the incredible health benefits they offer. Gooseberries are versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, from smoothies to salads and even desserts. Your body will thank you for it. With every sip of this smoothie, you're nourishing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Enjoy the vibrant taste and feel the difference in your energy levels and overall well-being.